All right, traders, today is November 13th, 2023. My name is John Carrigan. We're going to do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. All right, let's go take a look at some charts. And we'll get rid of that. Pick up the SPY. And we'll pull up the SPY on the daily chart. Green candle, but not quite follow through right there on SPY. Nice move up, consolidate over. Got a bullish engulfing, no follow through. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. We got CPI coming out tomorrow. All right, so what do we got today? We squeaked out a higher high and made a higher low. All right, so we're right up against that downtrend line right there. You can see it overhead. And if you look at some of the other charts, see if I can find it. It's coming up. Here we go. Here's our uptrend line, and you can see I'm expecting price to go back and forth between this 433 or actually 434 level up to 442. So kind of bounce back and forth in this wedge or in this pennant till things play out. So there's SPY, still bullish, made a higher high. So SPY is still bullish on the daily chart. All right, so let's take a look at QQQ. I'm expecting the same thing. All right, QQQ, put in the inside day, higher low, lower high. Still bullish, got a higher high. So QQQ in a daily uptrend, finally. All right, FNGU, I'm looking for the same thing. All right, higher low, a little bit higher high. All right, in a daily uptrend, making that higher high up there. All right, so FNGU still in the uptrend. All right, let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow making the higher high. Breaking the uptrend line, downtrend line right there. And we probably need to extend that neckline. So we need to see Diamond Dow break over this neckline here and not get rejected at it. So we'll see what happens here. Here's the bullish engulfing. You got the follow through, higher low, higher high. We'll see how high it's going to get. See if it can get through that neckline. All right, let's take a look at IWM. Different story. Everything else is in an uptrend except for this one, Russell 2000. All right. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So IWM still in a downtrend here. So you can see here's IWM consolidating in what? A bear flag underneath last month's resistance right there. So there's IWM on the daily chart. All right, let's take a look at our indicators, and then we'll go look at some of the other markets. T2122 in the chop zone from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Never really made it clearly into the buy or the sell zone. But on T2123, it was green all day. So there you go. For the most part, money was coming into the markets on T2123. 3-bar chart, no surprise here. Green all day. FNGU. That one didn't work. FNGU. All right, so we had got some bookends here. Red at the beginning of the day, red at the end of the day, and the meat inside was all green throughout the day. So we had a green day with red bookends right there on FNGU. All right, so let's go take a look at some of the other markets. And we'll start off with SLV. Silver's still in a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low. And in the pivots, you look, still got a lower high, making lower lows. Silver still in a downtrend, trying to climb back into that consolidation channel. They pierced it yesterday, spiked it again today, and worked so hard to climb back up the dam and get back up into that channel right there. So there's silver. Gold. Gold dipping into the buy box a little bit further today. Okay, so gold putting in a higher low and a lower high. So expanding volatility going on in gold. Gold still in an uptrend. You got higher highs and higher lows. So you got gold in an uptrend. UNG putting in lower highs and lower lows, still in a downtrend, trying to climb back into that consolidation channel, which is right about through there, right through there. Maybe. No. I'm going to go with that one. I like that one. Here's that uptrend that got blown out right there. So trying to climb back into that uptrend. So UNG still in a downtrend. Nice day today, gapping up and going. So a gap up and go here with UNG, higher low, higher high. Almost filling the gap. Did it fill the gap? Oh yeah, UNG filled the gap. Okay, so there's UNG. USO. Okay, here's USO in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. Daily candle, higher low, higher high. So trying to climb back up into that $74 level where it was consolidating before. Still in a downtrend though. So USO, the energy sector, as far as gas and oil, still in a downtrend. Silver, still in a downtrend. Gold, in an uptrend. All right, so FNGU, as far as the markets are concerned, Russell 2000 still in a downtrend, but FNGU and the special interest big cap heavyweights are in an uptrend. So there you go there. All right, let's take a look at IYT. Tomorrow we got CPI coming out at 8:30 in the morning, so be careful. All right, IYT, daily downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. IYT's daily candle just consolidating here right over 225.02. Daily candle puts in a higher low and an equal high. SMH. SMH putting in the inside day after that big exhaustion candle at the end of this run. So here we got a pause here. See the pause? Kind of like a doji candle right here, stuck with an inside day. So there's SMH doing the pause thing. Probably rolls back, see if it can find support on this downtrend line. All right, SMH in an uptrend. Right there. XLF. XLF still in a downtrend. Daily candle for today, inside day. Lower high, equal high, higher low. That's it. All right. So US dollar index is, let's see if we can find it here. And the US dollar index, no, I don't want to do that. $105.66. So here's US dollar index. All right, still consolidating over 105.50. Right there, economic calendar. Here's the big one, CPI tomorrow, 8:30. Then we got a couple of Fed speakers. Michael Barr, Austin Goolsbee, Loretta Mesters. All right, so that's it right there. Big days tomorrow morning, 8:30. Volatility's coming. All right, and earnings, we got Home Depot's coming in for earnings. Let me see if I can find the earnings for us. All right, so Mitsubishi is going to report today sometime. And then tomorrow, we've got, here it is, Home Depot's going to report first thing in the morning. And C Limited, that's also going to report. All right, so C Limited and Home Depot. Home Depot, about $280 billion right there in market cap for Home Depot. The following day, Wednesday, Cisco's going to report about $200 billion. And then TJX. So Cisco reports Wednesday evening, TJX, I think that's more retail. That's $100 billion they're going to report in the morning. All right, so that's it, traders. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Thank you for being here. Hope you made some money. Have a wonderful evening. It's possible. Let's take a look at it, May. May thinks IMW is a inverted head and shoulders. And that's not it. IWM. There we go. Yes, we have a left shoulder, a head, and a possible right shoulder. We'll see. They got to get back up to this neckline right here, May. We'll see if they can do it. All right. They didn't go far today, even though they were very bullish. Notice if we look at the markets today, CHOP, they were green all day, but they didn't get far. And on the 3-bar, you can still see trend indicators stuck like glue on the price action right there. So a little bit of work to do to get that going. Maybe CPI will help them out. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, those IWM puts didn't work today. Thanks, May, Andreas, Richard, Will, thank you. Alan, Emma, May again. And Rob and Ron and everybody else and Mai. All right, everybody have a wonderful evening. I will see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. Have a wonderful evening.